Welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to disable two-factor authenticator on Instagram. So the first step is go to the application of Instagram, and in this part you need to go to the option of your profile, and in the superior part of the option of your profile, specifically in the superior right corner, you need to pick in the button of these three lines. You pick here, and after that you need to go to the option of Account Center. So in Account Center, you need to go to the option of Account Settings and pick in Password and Security. So in this part, I don't have the two-factor authenticator activated, but if you get this activated, after you put here in the two-factor authenticator, the account you authenticate or you activate this mode, in this part, the only thing you need to do to deactivate this option is pick in a switch, like the other option in Instagram when you want to disable like the likes and the share. It's just a switch to the black and blue. That's it. You put that switch and you disable the option of authenticator. This choice option is the same process to disable any of them, like the Authenticate app, the text message, or WhatsApp. It's the same. But this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.